See, there's a notice over there that says no smoking, photography, or recording permitted in this auditorium. We're going to ignore that. So if you have a camera and you'd like to take a photo, that's your next time. Mixture of the two. Will you stop doing that? The Libyan thinks it's a blitz, for God's sake! Sorry, Liv, I do apologise. On a few occasions, no big deal. And you know that bit at the end where they meet you? So you're standing in a line. It's very brief. You never understand a word they say. And he was sat there. I don't know if he was hunting or something like that, a fox hat on his head. And I thought it was strange that he should have a fox hat or something. And about 3/4 of the way through the show, because you're not supposed to approach him, I went up to him and I said, "Excuse me, sir, it's lovely to have you here, but can you tell me why you've got a fox hat?" He said,